Ever wondered why your dog insists on rolling in something gross, spinning in circles before lying down, or randomly sprinting around the house like they've lost their mind? You're not alone. These strange behaviors are surprisingly normal. Let's decode what your furry best friend is really up to. To us, it looks like your pup hates the mailman, but in their mind, they've just saved the family. Every day, the stranger approaches, the dog barks, and magically, the intruder leaves. To them, that's a victory. Puppies nip to get attention. It's like saying, "Hey, play with me." But if it isn't corrected, the habit can stick. And begging? That's on us. If a puppy-dog stare once scored them food, they'll try it again. Dogs are opportunists. If it works, they'll keep doing it. If a house-trained dog suddenly starts having accidents indoors, don't assume mischief. Often it's medical, urinary tract problems, tummy issues, or stress. When in doubt, call your vet. We might gag, but to dogs, strong smells are like cologne. Rolling in them may mask their scent or signal something to other dogs. It's an instinct that goes back to their wolf ancestors. Dogs are natural scavengers. Their stomachs can handle things we'd never touch, like rotting food or worse. Grass eating might calm their stomach, or maybe they just enjoy the taste. Either way, it's usually harmless. This bedtime ritual isn't random, it's instinct. Wild canines circled to flatten grass or face the wind before resting. Today's pups are just following ancient routines. It feels awkward to us, but for dogs, sniffing is polite. These areas carry powerful scents that tell them everything. Who you are, your mood, even if you've been around other dogs. Think of it as a canine handshake. Ever seen your pup go full rocket mode, zooming in circles with no warning? That's called the zoomies. It's a burst of pent-up energy, often after a bath, during play, or at night. Perfectly normal, and honestly, hilarious. Tail chasing is usually playful curiosity, especially in puppies. But if it happens constantly, it could signal boredom, anxiety, or even a medical issue like fleas. So occasional spins? Cute. Obsessive spinning? Time to check in. When your dog twitches, runs, or whimpers in their sleep, they're dreaming, just like us. Studies show dogs go through REM sleep cycles, where they replay daily adventures. So yes, your pup really is chasing rabbits in their dreams. Most of these so-called weird habits are natural instincts, or just ways your dog communicates with the world. If something feels new or extreme, check with your vet. But for the most part, the quirks are what make them, well, dogs. And honestly, that's what makes them so lovable.